All right, here you're seeing me getting ready to hook up my landscape rake. I searched the internet for best ways of removing snow on gravel with a tractor, and there wasn't a whole lot out there. I found one article and two very poor videos of somebody that said a landscape rake could do it. So even though the evidence wasn't there, I decided I was going to give it a shot because I've got one. It won't cost me a penny. I was looking at snow blades and all kind of several $1,000 implements because this year's been really tough. We just had a record snow in Ohio, even more than the blizzard of '78. So right here you're seeing me in my grass side yard and now in the driveway. So whatever I do, it had to be good for gravel. And I'm on my way to my neighbor's house to try this out for the first time. As you can see there, I started at, I don't know if that's a 30 or a 20-degree angle, whatever it is on the attachment. I've already cleaned out the end of her driveway with the front end loader, and I'm going to make my first pass. She's driven up and down it once or twice, spinning her tires, sliding all over in four-wheel drive, and this is my first experiment. So far, so good. Looks good. Don't just say this is good. I've got a lot of good tips for you. At the end of this video, I've taken 4 hours or more of video and crunched it down to 12 minutes. So I think it would be worth your time if you're considering doing this. Does a good job, but I've learned some tricks. And if I can share those with you, you can benefit from them and save you that time. Here, I just took it from a 20 or a 30-degree angle to a full 45 degrees, thinking, hey, maybe that'll help me, and I won't have the mess. And looky there. I went to school real quick. Her driveway has a high spot in the middle, the stereotypical brown country driveway. And I gave up right there. Just digging in the middle and not really touching the sides. I got my top length kind of short, so it's not really digging in, it's more dragging across. You don't want to have it real aggressive. And that's a whole nother topic right there, is the art of adjusting your top. There it's more grazing across, but even still, I went to school with this one. My next drive, We'll see that in a few minutes. We're almost halfway. Hang in there. You're going to learn something. I promise. This is my driveway. Figure I might as well flatten it out while I'm coming in. I was freezing. This was like a 9-degree day. There's my tractor. It's a New Holland 40 horse Workmaster. Got a 6-foot bucket on the front. I got a 6-foot landscape brake on the back right now. There's a Jeep mirror that's going to put on just for driving up and down the road. Those mirrors are nice little add.
Woo, doggy!
If you ever go down the road, even if you don't go down the road, those mirrors are great to roll on. I spent $40 for those. Amazon, of course. Tell you, this time around, I started with the landscape brake 90 degrees, square, and I drove straight down the middle of the driveway. And this one is the longest driveway I've done. I've done it a few times over the years. And then, so I did it straight down the middle twice with the blade 90 degrees. Then, right now in this video, you're seeing that I'm going to spin it
now we're going to
the
spin
20-25 degree position.
the rake.
Then I overlapped the little piles of snow to the right and to the left, dragging it off to the side. And this worked so much better.
No more cotter pin.
Another gravel driveway, just like the first one in the video. It's crowned in the middle, lots of dirt, barely any gravel. So you're gonna see dirt, you just can't help it. It always makes me cringe when I see dirt come through that snow surface. Since I've been doing this way, people are a little bit more interested in me coming back. Sometime this coming year with my lamp light and leveling out the driveways. We'll give it a nice rake on the way out. And this isn't actually my last pass, but it's going to be the last pass on this video. The driveway ended up looking really good. 2 passes straight with the brake 90 degrees, and then a couple more each direction on a 20-25 degree angle. Saved hours. If I'd have done that with the front end loader, because I did it a few years ago.